Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to convert numbers into percentage in Excel. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have a number list, and this number I'm going to convert into percentage. So simply select the entire column and go to the Home tab. In Numbers group have a percentage option. Just click on it and that's it. Here you can see your number into percentage, but it's multiplied with the 100, and the right hand side the percentage sign is showing. But here we don't want like this. So use the Ctrl Z, and here I show you one Excel trick. So simply select the cell, press the 1 and use here the percentage sign. Okay, then select the cell and use the Ctrl C to copy this cell. Okay, then select the range of numbers, then right click of the mouse in Paste Special, just click on the Paste Special option, and here the Paste Special dialog box is open. Then click on the multiply option, then click on the OK. That's it. Here you can see your numbers into percentage. So hope you understood. If you like this Excel trick, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.